Good morning, students. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Students, in exercise 3.1, question number 1 is Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. This is the first condition. Students, first of all we will consider the present age of Aftab and her daughter. Let present age of Aftab be. Aftab be. Student, X years. Any doubt, any problems?
No.
And present age of her daughter. Y years. Y years. Students, now 7 years ago, if your present age is 15 years, 7 years ago your age was 15 minus 7 is equal to 8 years. We will subtract 7 from the present age. 7 years ago, the age of Aftab was in past 7 years ago, before 7 years ago the age of Aftab was x minus 7 years. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. Also,
7 years ago the age of her daughter was. Students, y minus 7 years. Y minus 7 years. X minus 7 years. Aftab's age 7 years ago. Y minus 7. Her daughter's age 7 years ago. According to first condition. I was 7 times as old as you were then. Aftab saying her daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. 7 years ago Aftab is x minus 7 years. 7 years ago her daughter is y minus 7 years. Now students, 7 years ago Aftab is 7 times older than her daughter. To equalize it, we will multiply the age of which. To equalize it, we will multiply the age of her daughter by 7. Students, जो आफ्ताब है 7 years ago अपनी डॉटर से 7 times क्या है, बड़ा है. हमने क्या है, इसको इक्वल करने के लिए डॉटर की एज को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया ताकि ये इक्वल हो जाए. कोई डाउट, कोई प्रॉब्लम्स? एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
no, sir.
Okay, students. Now students, we will solve it. X minus 7, 7y, 7 7 जा 49. Now student, we will transfer variable from left hand side and constant term to right hand side. X minus 7y minus 49 plus 7. Students, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. That is equation first. X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Student, note down it. Students, after 3 years, the age of Aftab will be after 3 years, x plus 3 years, and after 3 years the age of her daughter will be y plus 3 years. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, students. Now, according to second condition, now students, it is x plus 3, it is y plus 3. X plus 3 is the age of Aftab after 3 years, and y plus 3 is the age of her daughter after 3 years. Now the age of Aftab is 3 times now at this condition Aftab is 3 times as old as her daughter. To equalize it, we will multiply the age of her daughter by 3. Now student, x plus 3, that is 3y plus 9. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay students. Now students, x minus 3y, 9 minus 3. X minus 3y, that is 6, equation second. Please note down it. Students, your first equation from equation first. What is your equation first? X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Now student, x is equal to minus 42 plus 7y. X is equal to minus 42 plus 7y. We will draw a table. Student, that is, yes students,
So you know how to do.
Students, x is equal to minus 42 plus 7y.
Selman, why is this not audible?
Now you can take the different values of y. If you will take the different values of y, you will also obtain the different values of x. If you will replace the y as 6, y as 6. Student,
0.
0. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42 minus 42 plus 42, that equal to x is 0. Student, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now student, we will take the value of y as 7. Value of y as 7. Value of y as 7. If we will take the value of y as 7, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 49 minus 42, that is 7. Student, any doubt? Now we will take the value of y as 5. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35 minus 42 plus 35. Minus 42 plus 35 minus 7.
-7.
Student, any doubt, any problems? Now your point is 0 6. Your point is 7 7. And your point is minus 7 and 5. Student, is it clear? Any doubt? From equation second. Second equation is x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now student, x is equal to 6 plus 3y. Draw the table. Now student, it is x, it is y, it is your points. Now students, we will replace the y with 0. If we replace the y with 0, 3 into 0,
X will be 6.
x is equal to 6. If we replace the y with 1, y with 1,
9. 3. 3, sir.
3 1 are 3, 6 plus 3 9. If we replace the 1 with minus 1, minus 1, 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 3. Now your point is 6 0, 9 1, 3, 3 minus 1. Now student, we will plot these points in the Cartesian plane. Draw the Cartesian plane. This is x, this is your x dash, this is your y, this is your y dash. Now student, this is your origin. You have to require the points 7 9. Students, this is positive x axis. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 6 and minus 7. Minus 7. Here is minus 7. Now students, next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Student, 0 6 x 0 x coordinate 0 y coordinate 6, where these points lie: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, x axis, y axis. Please tell me. 0 6, first point is 0 6, where this point
See,
lie?
my positive axis.
For 0 6, this is 0 6 a 0 6. Now student, next point is 7 7 x 7 y 7, both coordinate are positive. x 7 y 7,
First component.
x 7 y 7, that is your points, that is your B point. 7 7. Now student, next is C. minus 7 plus 5, minus 7 plus 5, minus 7 plus 5.
Taking point.
Minus 7 plus 5, minus 7 plus 5. Student, that is C point. Join these points, join these points. You will obtain a straight line. You
So
will
it forms a slant line.
straight line. Yes students, this is the graph of x minus 7y is equal to minus 42, minus 42. This is the graph of linear equation x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, your next point is 60, 60, x coordinate 6, y coordinate 0, where this point lie: in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, x axis, y axis. Yes
So
student,
X axis positive. X axis.
60, that is your point D. D. Next point is 7 7. Next point is 9 1, 9 1. Student, 9 1. Here 9, that is 1. This point lie here. 9 1. E point. E point. Next is students. Next your point is 3, comma minus 1. 3, comma minus 1. X coordinate 3. Fourth quadrant. 3, comma minus 1. That is this point and F. That is 3, comma minus 1. Now students, join these points. Use the scale and join these points.
So it forms a straight line.
Yes student, this will become a straight line graph.
And also it is pi.
This will be a straight line graph.
So now we find the solution
Students,
of the pair of equations.
this line will intersect 100% intersect. If you will extend these line will 100% intersect at the point. At that point, this line will intersect. That will be the solution. That will be the solution. The coach of a cricket teams buy 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Letter C buys another bat, 3 more balls for the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically as well as geometrically. Student, let cost of one bat be. Let cost of one bat be. Question number 2. Let cost of one bat B rupees X and cost of one ball B rupees Y according to first condition. According to first condition, students, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats. Cost of 1 bat rupees X. What is the cost of 3 bats?
Rupees 3x.
Very good, sir. 3x. Cost of 1 ball rupees Y. And what is the cost of 6 balls?
6y.
And the total cost is 3900. Equation first. Student, what is the common throughout the equation? What is common in first two? 3x and 6y. 3 is common. X plus 2y is equal to 3900.
X plus 2y is equal to 1300.
Student, X
So
1 second.
now 3 will go there and it would become 1300.
Now students, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 1300. That will becomes x plus 2y is equal to 1300. Equation first. Please note down it. Now students, according to second condition. According to second condition, letter C buys 3 more balls. Letter C buys another bat. Bat cost of 1 bat rupees X and 3 more balls 3y. The total cost is 1300. 1300. X plus 3y is equal to 1300. This is your second equation. Now student, from first equation, student, what is your first equation?
X plus 2y equal to X plus 2y is equal to 1300.
X plus 2y is equal to 1300. Now student, it is X 3900 minus 2y.
And there it's 1300.
Okay student, wait. Now student, it is 1300. Now 1300 minus 2y. Now students, make a table. X, Y points. Student, replace y with 600. 2 into 600. How many?
1200.
1200. 1300 minus 1200. That is 100. Replace y with 500. 500 2s are 1000. 1300 minus 1000. That is 300. Replace y with 400. 400 into 200. That is 800. That is 500.
500. It's 500.
Student, any doubt, any problems? Your points are 100, 600, 300, 500, and 400, 500, and 400. Please note down, students. Note down it.
Sir, no.
Student, from equation second. From equation second. That is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. Now student, x is equal to 1300 minus 3y. Draw the table. Now student, we have take the value of y as 400. 400 3s are 1200. 1300 minus 1200 100.
100.
Student, 300s 300
300.
900 400. Student, we will take the value as 200. 200, 600, that is 700. Any doubt, any problems?
7.
Now students, points becomes, your points is 100 to 400, 400 to 300, and your 700 to 200. Student, note down it. Students, draw the Cartesian plane. Draw the Cartesian plane, that is x dash y dash 0. Student, we will take the gap as 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, that is minus 1, minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, minus 400, that is 100, 200, 300, 400, that is your 100, 200, that is your 300. Student, your first point is your first point is 100 to 600, 100 to 600, 500 and 600, 100 to 600, that is your first point. 100, 300 to 500, 300 to 500, 300 to 500, and next point is your 500 to 400, 500 to 400. Student, join these points. It will be your straight line graph. And seconds table you can draw